Mad thing. What you don't know, is all about the 24th of July. Talking about Club Fantasia, veteran versus a youngster, Candleman. What you don't know, I'm going up hard against Specky. So don't miss this one. This one going to be epic. Candle versus Specky in Club Fantasia on the 24th, like this Friday. You know, if you wear your Panic t-shirts, you're coming for $10. The price is $15. Ladies, you're free. You know, Fantasia does do it on a Friday night. So me and Specky on stage, going head on to see who more badder. You ever word like that, badder? So Fantasia the 21st of July, Candleman versus Specky. Do not miss it, like this Friday. Oh yeah. So you don't know, I go and show how they all bad, like more bad than Specky. You know Specky have some style, right? So come out and support the thing, man. You don't know, Candleman versus Specky, veteran versus youngster. This Friday, Club Fantasia. Do not miss it. Don't panic.
Hi, my name is Candleman.
I'm Specky the veteran.
This Friday, July 21st, Fantasia presents the Veteran versus the Young Star. Representing the Veteran Inspector.
Pick up them local woman, pick up them local ones.
And repping the Young Stars. Candle. General admission $10 before midnight, $15 after. Ladies and guests entries absolutely free before 12 a.m. Persons wearing their Dope Panic t-shirts pay $10 all night. And Go to Fed members pay $10 all night. Don't forget Rum Campari and Vodka 2 for 1 drinks till midnight. Your musical selectors: Paradise Vibes, Maverick, Bomb Squad featuring Bane Jr. and Outlaw and Taz. And if it's your birthday on the night, get a chilled bottle of champagne. Guest list registration on 444-4224 or WhatsApp 1473-456-0175. Or check out Facebook Club Fantasia Grenada. Sponsored by Village Ram, Wester Hall Rum, Smother Vodka and Campari.
Becky Drippin' Boy, the alcohol